Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run a half marathon for beginners. First, establish a consistent running routine for several weeks before starting a specific training plan. This builds your endurance and prepares your body. Next, focus on gradually increasing your weekly mileage. A good rule of thumb is to add no more than 10% each week to avoid overtraining. Remember to include rest days and cross-training activities like swimming or cycling to support your body and prevent injuries. A successful training plan includes several key elements. Long runs are crucial. Gradually extend these to prepare your body for the full 13.1 miles. Don't forget to incorporate speed work, like intervals and tempo runs, to boost your overall pace and efficiency. Proper nutrition is also vital. Fuel your body with a balanced diet, focusing on carbohydrates for energy, and ensure you're drinking plenty of water throughout your training. As race day approaches, focus on readiness. Tapering your training in the final 2 to 3 weeks is essential. This allows your body to recover and store energy. Develop a clear race day nutrition and hydration strategy, practicing it during your long runs to avoid surprises. Ensure you get plenty of sleep in the days leading up to the event, aiming for 7 to 9 hours. This preparation will help you feel strong and confident at the starting line. After crossing the finish line, focus on recovery. Engage in active recovery, like a short walk and gentle stretching to help your muscles. Immediately replenish your fluids and electrolytes to aid in your body's repair process. Remember, staying hydrated is always important, not just on race day. For a great way to keep your water intake up, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other helpful deals. Listen to your body and celebrate your amazing accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.